Understanding and following a set of instructions is a fundamental skill in both professional and personal contexts. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to read, understand, and follow instructions effectively.
Step 1. Preview the instructions. Begin by skimming through the instructions to get an overall sense of what they entail. Pay attention to any headings, subheadings, or bullet points that outline the steps involved. This initial preview helps you mentally prepare for the task ahead and identify any potential challenges or questions.
Step 2. Read the instructions thoroughly. Next, read through the instructions carefully from start to finish. Take your time to absorb each step and understand the sequence of actions required. Pay attention to any specific details, warnings, or notes provided by the author.
Step 3. Break down the steps. Analyze the instructions step by step, breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Identify the main actions or procedures outlined in each step and consider how they contribute to the overall objective. This process helps you stay organized and focused as you work through the instructions.
Step 4. Clarify any confusion. If you encounter any terms, terminology, or concepts that are unclear, take the time to seek clarification. Refer to a dictionary, glossary, or relevant resources to understand unfamiliar terms. Additionally, don't hesitate to ask questions or seek assistance from others if needed.
Step 5. Visualize the process. Use visual aids such as diagrams, illustrations, or videos to help you visualize the steps involved in the instructions. Visualizing the process can enhance your understanding and retention of the information, making it easier to follow along.
Step 6. Check for understanding. After reading through the instructions, pause to reflect on your understanding of the task at hand. Mentally review each step and ensure that you can articulate what needs to be done. If there are any gaps in your understanding, go back and review the instructions again until you feel confident in your comprehension.
Step 7. Gather materials and tools. Before starting the task, gather all the necessary materials, tools, and resources as specified in the instructions. This ensures that you have everything you need within reach and minimizes interruptions or delays during the process.
Step 8. Follow each step carefully. Begin executing the instructions step by step, following each direction precisely as outlined. Take your time to complete each task accurately and thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Avoid skipping ahead or taking shortcuts, as this can lead to errors or incomplete results.
Step 9. Check your progress. Periodically pause to review your progress and ensure that you are on track with the instructions. Double-check each step as you go along to verify that you haven't missed anything or made any mistakes. This helps prevent errors and ensures that the final outcome meets the intended objectives.
Step 10. Evaluate the results. Once you have completed the instructions, take a moment to evaluate the results and compare them against the desired outcome. Check for any discrepancies, errors, or areas that may need improvement. If necessary, make adjustments or corrections to achieve the desired result.
Step 11. Reflect on the process. After following the instructions, take some time to reflect on the process and your experience. Consider what went well, what challenges you encountered, and what you learned from the experience. Reflecting on the process helps you identify areas for improvement and become more proficient at following instructions in the future.
By following these steps, you can read, understand, and follow a set of instructions effectively, enabling you to complete tasks accurately and efficiently in any context.
This has been a production of D&J Designs in MathMan 1962.